Hello everyone, and welcome on board. My name is Mark and I'm a student pilot, sharing aviation's most interesting topics. You may have heard sometimes that planes nowadays are mostly autonomous. Probably, you even heard news with impressive headings like "Plane lands without pilots touching the controls." And while this can be true in a way, the full picture is that for the plane to do this, pilots still need to be fully involved. It is really important to understand this. Autopilot can only follow instructions or commands, but they still need for a very well-trained pilot to program and monitor them. Now, air travel has come a long way in the last decades. From advantages in airplane design, improved safety measures, to reduce fuel usage. It is significantly safer to fly than to drive a car nowadays in the US. Now, this has been achieved thanks to technological improvements, and it has helped to shape the aviation industry. One of the most controversial and exciting technological advancements in recent years has been the use of artificial intelligence, or AI. AI has improved enormously in the last decades. And even though it can be scary, since we have been told it's gonna take all of the jobs, it has actually improved safety in the aviation industry by far. For this video, I made an experiment. I asked ChatGPT by OpenAI, which is a language model that uses artificial intelligence to generate responses. I asked, will human pilots ever be replaced by AI? And this thing replied, while AI has the potential to greatly enhance aviation safety and efficiency, it is unlikely that human pilots will be fully replaced by AI in the near future. The most likely scenario is that AI will continue to be used by human pilots, allowing for a combination of human expertise and machine capabilities. And I kind of agree with this. Artificial intelligence is used in a variety of ways in aviation nowadays. And a great example is the use of predictive maintenance. Aircraft maintenance is critical to ensure the safety of operations and prevent unexpected breakdowns, which can be really expensive. Traditionally, maintenance schedules were based on time or usage, like in a car. This could result in unnecessary maintenance, increasing cost, and reducing aircraft availability for the airline, something you don't want at all. However, with the use of AI, maintenance can be predicted based on real-time data that comes from sensors and other sources. For example, General Electric, which is an engine provider directly or indirectly of extremely popular planes, such as the Boeing 737, the 787, the Airbus A320, among many others. This company has developed an AI system called the Digital Twin, which creates a virtual replica of an aircraft engine. The Digital Twin continuously collects data from the engine sensors and uses machine learning algorithms to predict when maintenance is going to be needed. This system allows airlines to perform maintenance specifically when needed, reducing the risk of unplanned downtime and optimizing maintenance schedules. One of the biggest ways AI improves aviation safety is also by reducing the risk of human error. Sadly, 75% of aviation accidents are caused by human mistake. So what this AI does is that it helps us, the pilots, to make better decisions and actually to react faster based on more information in emergency situations. In fact, AI has played a critical role in several emergencies in the air. For example, in 2018, an Air Canada flight was about to land on a runway where 4 other planes were waiting. The AI system detected the problem and alerted the pilot, who was able to make a last-minute maneuver to avoid the disaster. And as I said before, even though AI has improved to reduce accidents in commercial aviation, it is still in its early stages. There is still a lot of work to be done, and we need to continue to test and refine these systems to ensure that they're reliable and effective. Now, what about the future of this artificial intelligence in aviation? Will pilots be replaced by machines? And while some experts believe that AI could eventually take over some of the more basic tasks, like monitoring the systems or making routine decisions, most agree that human pilots will be essential for the foreseeable future at least. As a pilot, I can tell you there are certain things only a human can do. For example, we have the ability to think creatively, to make complex decisions based on experience, and communicate effectively with other humans, something a machine can't. One of the most important skills human pilots have is that we're able to respond to unexpected situations in a way that pre-programmed machines cannot at all. And I can tell you, flying is never the same. Weather, for example, is always different, and we need to be ready. AI could be definitely a great tool for us, but it won't replace the human intelligence, at least for now. In the end, the combination of human pilots and AI technology is what makes air travel so safe and efficient. Just think about this for a minute. The odds of being in an accident during a flight are 1 in 11 million, compared to the chances of being on a fatal car crash, which are 1 in 5,000. Huge difference, right? As the aviation industry continues to evolve, we can expect to see more and more exciting advances in AI. But one thing is certain, we'll still need skilled pilots to get us from point A to B. So that's it for today's video. Please comment any doubt you have about aviation, and I'll respond as best as I can. Also, if you can like and share, is a huge help for me. Blue skies and tailwinds to all of you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.